Okay, here we are down at the cabin, February 17th. Water's running high and fast. The wind is just howling too. You can see those trees. Rocking. Okay, we're gonna walk out onto the dock now. Dock's almost straight level. Ramp straight up. Try not to trip when I do this. There's a piling. These are usually 20 feet high. Not a whole lot showing now. Came out here, there's a bunch of logs in here, jammed right in there. Got those all cleared out. See, there's quite a little current going there. Stuff's just ripping along. Seen some big logs going down. Wind is blowing so hard it's trying to blow this phone out of my hand. Got my little boat out of the water. Wind had blown it in. It was sunk. Had to flip it upside down, drag it up. Double tied it. There's the fish cleaning station. It's turned upside down and screwed in. Looks like things are good to go. Signing off down here.